Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to multiply monomials to a monomial, a binomial, and a trinomial. Now let us have some examples of monomials multiplied to another monomial, a monomial multiplied to a binomial, and a monomial multiplied to a trinomial. So first we have the monomial to monomial. For example, we have 3 times a. We have the monomial 3 times a, or 3a times 4ab. So this is one monomial and multiplied to another monomial 4ab. So to multiply monomials, you just simply multiply the coefficients. So we have 4 times 3, that is 12. And then multiply our variables. Look at the exponent, you just add the exponent. So you have the exponent of a, which is 1, and the exponent of a, which is 1. So you just add. So how many a we have in all? We have a squared. And then in the first factor, you don't have b. And the second factor, you have b. Then you just copy that one. So you have the product, which is 12a squared b. Okay, another monomial. Negative 5x times 2x squared. So we have just multiply the coefficients. Negative 5 times 2, that is negative 10. And then we have x times x squared. You have the exponent here, which is 1. So you just add with the exponent, which is 2. So it becomes x cubed. So that is how we simply multiply and get the product. What about if we have a monomial to binomial? Example, we have example number 3. We have negative 4x, for example. Then multiplied by 3x squared plus 5x. So we have a monomial, which is negative 4x multiplied to a binomial 3x squared plus 5x. So this is a binomial because it is composed of two terms, 3x squared and 5x, separated by plus or minus sign. So to multiply this one, you simply distribute this one to each of the terms in the binomial and then multiply. So multiply 4x times 3x squared. So negative 4 times 3, you have negative 12. And then x times x squared, it becomes x cubed. Then we have negative 4 times positive 5, that is negative 20. And then we have x times x, that is x squared. So this is now our product. The result of multiplying negative 4x with 3x squared plus 5x. Another example. Let's have 8x times negative 5xy minus 4. Okay, so you simply multiply 8x with negative 5xy and then multiply 8x with negative 4. So you have negative 5 times 8 is negative 40, and then x your variables are x and y. So x and x, it becomes x squared, and then you only have y. So 40x squared y, and then you have positive 8 and negative 4 minus 32. We still have x, 32x. So this is now our product. So that is how to multiply monomials to a binomial. What if we have a monomial multiplied to a trinomial? So you still have the same process with the monomial multiplied to a binomial. The only difference is that you have monomial multiplied to trinomial, which is composed of 3 terms. Here you only have 2 terms. So example, we have 2 times 3x squared plus 4y minus 10. So you have a trinomial here since it is composed of 3 terms, 3x squared plus 4y minus 10. So we have 3 trinomials here. So what you have to do is, just like in number 4, you just simply distribute this in each of the terms in the trinomial. So 2 times 3x squared. 2 times 3, that is 6. And then we still have our variable x squared. Okay, next. 2 times positive 4y. So 2 times 4 is plus 8. Then you have another variable which is y. Then what's next is that you have to multiply 2 times negative 10. So it becomes negative 20. So that is now our product. So you have a product which is composed of 3 terms. What if we have this example, 3k times 4k squared minus k plus 3. So the variable used here is k. So just like in example number 5, you just multiply this one with each of the terms in the polynomial, which is composed of 3 terms. So you have 3 times 4, you have 12, and then you have k times k squared, you have k to the 3rd power, and then next you multiply this to the 2nd term. We have 3k times negative k, so that becomes negative 3k. Since you have negative, that is positive 3, negative 1, that is understood, it has 1, 3, and then k times k is, we have k squared. Next, we have to distribute this again, 3k times positive 3. So 3 times 3 is 9, that is positive 9. Then copy the variable k. So that is how we multiply polynomials to a trinomial, multiply polynomials to a binomial, and multiply a monomial to a monomial.